today we're going to be digging into some of the more flexible icons within our solution. So as a reminder, regardless of the event style or the event length that you may be hosting, you have full control to decide how many or how few features are located in your specific menu. And you've got complete control to decide the title of that feature, the feature image, and the color scheme that's going to be following us throughout to really ensure that not only does it meet your branding needs, but it's also going to fit the overall theme of your event. Now, the first feature that we're going to jump into today is going to be this sponsors icon. So for your event, if you do have specific sponsors, this is going to be a great opportunity to utilize this booth to maybe showcase those specific sponsors or partners and even tier them out like you see here with the platinum, gold, and silver sponsors. So you see we have 3 different sizes of these specific booths. You're in complete control to utilize all 3 sizes or pick one size that fits the needs for your specific event. And within each of these booths, you actually have the ability to spotlight a piece of content like you see here with this video. You can certainly substitute that out for maybe a white paper PDF that you'd like to showcase to your audience, or even embed their own website. But along with that, over here on the right-hand side, we have some engagement tools that we can toggle on and off as we see fit. So the first one being just a general chat feature. Maybe I want to ask that sponsor a question or just reach out for a general inquiry. And then we have these 2 call to action buttons where I can actually send a digital business card to that specific sponsor or partner, letting them know that I'm interested in learning more and providing them with my email address. Now, the second button can actually go to whatever website that partner or sponsor sees fit. So this one example is a Calendly meeting link. But if instead of schedule a meeting, we wanted this to say online store, learn more, that is completely custom from booth to booth. Now, as I scroll down, I do have the ability to access a nice overview of that specific partner or sponsor. If we do have that hybrid component, I could even see what booth they're located on at the venue itself in our mapping feature. I might have the ability to actually live chat via video with that specific partner or sponsor, or even check out maybe some of the speakers that are associated with that organization or attachments. And I can easily access this content to go directly to that speaker bio to learn more. So that is just one example of how this can be utilized. And as a matter of fact, if I actually scroll to the right, you'll see we're in a different event, Webex 2022, for any of those who may have attended. And you can see that exact same feature style that we're utilizing. We're going to use this to showcase specific products. So this would be a great solution for maybe our customer conferences where we're wanting to highlight some of our own products or solutions within this specific event. You have full control to create that product booth where I can highlight some more information for my audience to take a look at. Now, along with the 2 areas or 2 options that I've showcased there, just to give you some more examples for employee onboarding events. I've seen these booths utilized to showcase maybe those company benefits, or if we have various DEI groups that we want our audience to know of and potentially get involved in within our organization. You can very easily twist this specific booth feature to showcase the information that you would like to highlight. It's going to align most with your event goals. I've even seen this utilized at sales kickoffs to showcase key customer wins over the last year or so and really celebrate those individuals who are a part of them. Now, along with this flexible icon, I'm going to come down to a couple different examples that you'll see here towards the bottom that you'll see with our conference survey, live display, and even this whiteboard icon. Now, what these are an example of is what we call our web link feature. And what we mean by that is we allow the flexibility for you to plug in the specific tools or websites that you and your team prefer to utilize or would like to embed within our solution without the attendee really knowing the lesson. So as you see with this example here, if your organization utilizes Typeform and maybe we want to embed that conference survey, you have full control to do so. Or another example is if I come down to this whiteboard area here, We have a lot of organizations that'll utilize Miro within their events for maybe some brainstorming to take place within different, organizations or attendee types at the event. And as you can see, that plugs very easily right inside of the solution to make sure that we're getting, access to some of those key tools that our audience may be more familiar with. So, as you can see, a lot of different ways to kind of customize some of these high level features to fit your specific needs.